When it really gets frigid outside, people will do almost anything to stay warm. I'm Denny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about using space heaters safely right after this. Don't let old man winter sneak into your house this season. Seal the gaps with weatherization products from Duck Brand. With our Keep the Cold Out giveaway, now through November 11th, you could win winter weatherization products valued at more than $70. Window insulation kits, door sweeps, expanding foam, and more. Everything you need to keep your house warm and energy efficient in the cold weather. Visit Today's Homeowner on Facebook and look for the pinned post to enter. Brought to you by Today's Homeowner and Duck Brand. As the cold weather starts to intensify, people begin to look for ways to supplement their existing heating systems. A space heater might be a good way to do that, but you have to make sure you make safety a priority anytime you use one of these things. First, make sure the heater is certified by a recognized testing lab like Underwriters Laboratories. It's also good to have a thermostat so that you don't run the risk of overheating a room, and a tip switch to shut the unit off if it accidentally gets turned over. The heater should be set up on a flat, level surface that isn't within 3 feet of bedding, drapes, or other flammable materials. Finally, don't let children or pets play around the heater and never leave it running when you leave the room or go to sleep. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.